I'm Coach Fendan Watson from Oshwal Junior High campus, and I'm very excited here because we won the boys badminton tournament and also table tennis with the girls. So here I'm standing with Kenya 1 badminton in Harriet and Kenya 1 Shimande in table tennis. Our preparation was good. We have enough facility in our school where we have enough tables, we have badminton court. Our learners always prepare early in the morning after school. So we had a good training program before we came for the national, and here we have the results. After this, we're going back to school for more training session in preparation for the East African Championship.
Malde. I'm 16 years old and I came first in table tennis this year. It was tough and competitive, and I'm happy that I've made it and I came first. Yeah, the facilities are nice in Nairobi. I train almost every day, around 4 times a week, and I'm looking forward for East Africa Games.
Dear Harya from Oshwal Academy, Nairobi. I emerged first place in badminton during the KSSA games. So training has always been tough back in Nairobi. Coaches are never easy on us, but it's all paid off today when we're working. We're hoping the same for East Africa. We're hoping we can come back to the world. But yeah, now we're back to